Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Conduction speeds in the cardiac tissue. So the first one is SA node. SA node is the conduction rate is 0.05. SA node, the conduction is 0.05. And what is the other one which has a similar time of conduction? So it is the AV node. So SA node and AV node both are 0.05. Then for 1 second, 1 meter per second. So 1 meter per second, what are the other tissues which have this conduction time? So it includes the atrial pathways. Atrial. So it is a atrial pathways. Then comes the bundle of His, the ventricular muscle as well. Next is the type 4. So the Purkinje system. The Purkinje system has a higher conduction rate. So this conduction is about 4 meter per second. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.